Have you ever wanted to manifest something within 24 hours? Well, this is the video for you because I'm going to show you this very boring technique that will help you to manifest whatever you want in 24 hours. It might be boring, but it's been proven to work. So if you want to find out what it is and how to do it, stick around all the way to the very end. All right? Now let's get into it. Grand Rising Manifestors. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very boring technique. It's very boring, but it's guaranteed to manifest into your life within 24 hours. Whatever you desire, it's going to manifest. But there are some things you have to do to make this manifest within 24 hours. It may not happen for everybody. Somebody that's watching this video right now, it's going to happen for you because I know your belief and manifestation is strong. So the name of this method is called Thank You For. You're going to write down what you're thankful for. So this is a Neville Goddard's technique. And in all his techniques, he always say, act like you already have it. So this is one of those techniques where you kind of act like you already have it, but you're giving thanks for having this, whatever you manifested. So this is how it works. You say, thank you for whatever your desire is. For example, let's say your desire is $1,000. That should be easy. Reason why that should be easy to you because most people that work in today have made $1,000. May not have made it all at once, or they may have made it at once, but they had to work. So it's already in your belief system, or it's already in your subconscious mind that you are able to attract $1,000. You just got to work for it. But with this technique, you're going to do it without working for it. You're going to do it just using this technique, just imagining the money in your possession. So what you're going to do is write down, thank you for $1,000. The next thing you're going to do is go in detail why you want this one, what you're going to use this $1,000 for. So you can say this, thank you for this $1,000 that I am using to pay a bill. So you can say that. It's however you want to say it, but just put down the details why you have this $1,000 and what you're using it for. And then you're going to say thank you for again. So you're going to say it 3 times. You're going to say thank you for this $1,000. It really helped me to pay for this. And now I feel so happy, joyful, whatever word you want to use. You know, it depends on the feeling that you're feeling at that time. So if you feel happy when you're saying this, say, thank you for this $1,000 that paid my bill or bought me something, and now I feel so joyful. So it's simple, guys. It's kind of boring. It's kind of boring. You know, just like almost a regular affirmation. But here's the kicker. And this is something that Neville always says. Do this right before you go to sleep. So when you get drowsy, you can write this down. Write your thank you for whatever you trying to manifest. Or you can just say it to yourself. You don't have to write it down, like I said before. But you got to do this when you're going to sleep, because when you go to sleep and you're in a drowsy state, you're going into the alpha wave. Right now, you're in beta. All beta means that you're conscious and awake. Alpha is the stage in between very sleepy and awake. So when you get to the alpha stage, that's when the subconscious mind kicks in and waiting on a command. So this is the command. Thank you for the $1,000, and I feel so good, or I feel so happy. And when you say that, you got to feel that emotion. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like smiling, smile. If you feel like just moving your body, saying yes. You know what I'm saying? I know you're doing this while you're sleepy. You're doing this while you're sleepy, but you have to express how you feel when you say this last thank you for. And that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Hope this brought some value to you guys. Please drop a comment down below and share this everywhere. We're on our way to 5,000 subscribers. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Very, very important to subscribe. And on that note, peace, get woke, and keep manifesting.